Intro music fades in, cheerful and uplifting. Hello there, tech enthusiasts of India. This is your guide to navigating the dynamic world of cloud optimization, where today we are digging into an incredibly powerful tool, GitHub, and how you can harness it to manage your repository's history efficiently on Microsoft Azure. So, let's get our technical gaze turning and elevate your cloud deployments to a higher level. Imagine a time when you have a repository with hundreds of commits. Managing history and finding specific changes become a monumental task. But fear not, GitHub Azure, now seamlessly integrated into Microsoft Azure, is here to streamline this process and optimize your hybrid cloud deployments. First up, let's understand the Azure Monitor metrics on GitHub. These allow you to monitor and optimize resource usage. Consider this example: your repository uses a service, and you want to optimize resource costs during low traffic hours. By utilizing Azure Monitor metrics via GitHub, you can automate scaling down and observe improvements in your cloud bill without sacrificing the user experience. Second, let's take the GitHub Actions for Continuous Integration and Delivery (CI/CD). Imagine you are merging branches and want to run unit tests automatically. Set up an action in GitHub using YAML and Azure pipelines. This will create a streamlined process to validate code changes before they land on your main branch, significantly reducing potential integration issues and ensuring code reliability. Last but not least, GitHub repository settings for code review ensure top-notch code quality. Imagine Sarah, a developer on your team, pushes a hotfix for critical errors, and you'd want strict review practices. Enable pull request policies in your GitHub repository settings to require code reviews for all changes, especially for hotfix branches, to maintain high standards of code integrity. Now, let's wrap up with our recap. Utilize Azure Monitor metrics on GitHub to OP.